If you want to enable or disable Siri when locked on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. Now first of all, just make sure that you enable Apple Intelligence or Siri, and after you enable Hey Siri or Apple Intelligence, you will find the Allow Siri when locked under the Siri request section. Now if you want to disable Siri when locked, just disable this toggle. And after you disable this toggle, you will not allow Siri when your iPhone is locked. Just like that. Hey Siri. As you can see, Siri is not working. But if you go back to settings, now if we enable allow Siri when locked, then just enter your lock screen passcode. Now as you can see, if we go to the lock screen, Siri will start working as we say its name. Hey Siri. Just like that. And this is how you can enable or disable allow Siri when locked on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.